Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add door of shadow in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and click on this cell, select your text. Now click this format option and select cell option. Now click more option and here you will find this door of shadow option and check this box. And door of shadow option now showing here. And see this door of shadow showing here. Here you can change door of shadow position and see this. Also this is door of shadow angle. And I will decrease. Also you can change door of shadow opacity, decrease. Also you can blur this door of shadow. And this is door of shadow color. You can add any kinds of drop shadow. You can add more drop shadow here and see this. Same way you can change a whole column raw drop shadow. Click on the raw serial number and select here and drop shadow and see this. This is drop shadow angle. You can change here. This is offset. You can change. And this opacity and this blur, and say this color, and see this. In this way you can add drop shadow in your number sheet. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.